What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at Caspa. We're going to deep dive into Caspa's ecosystem here in 2025 and why I believe Caspa is still a very strong altcoin, a great coin right now to hold here as we await the next big push. So some things we know about Caspa: it's built on the Bitcoin consensus model. It's proof of work. It performed extremely well throughout the bear market, has one of the smartest, most well-respected founders in all of crypto as well. They're recently going through some major upgrades, and the price is actually coming down a little bit, but it could be getting very enticing. So we're going to cover quite a bit from the ecosystem. We'll take a look at the chart, price action, all of that wrapped into one video for you guys. As you guys know, I'm here every single day for you guys. We're grinding through this journey together. It does mean a lot if you click that like button, hit the subscribe button. I know a lot of retail not in the crypto game yet, but I'm expecting a big wave. And when that happens, I want this channel to be a part of everybody's repertoire where they come back every single day. And again, subscribe right now, ring the notification bell so you know every single time we put out a video. So as we mentioned, Caspa's proof of work. The other unique thing that it has this innovative GhostDAG protocol. And it's been a huge talking point ever since it launched, really. And the most notable development has been the Crescendo hard fork, which was just activated last month. It has transformed the network's performance, positioning it now as a formidable player in the blockchain space. And Caspa's just under a $2 billion market cap. It's a top 50 ranking among cryptos. And it's gaining a lot of attention due to its scalability and its massive potential to rival some other established networks. And we're going to dive into it a little bit deeper, okay, and break things down. So let's share my screen here. And this, there we go. So Caspa is a layer one. It's got very high transaction throughput, instant confirmations, and we mentioned GhostDAG. And so why is this unique? Here's why. It allows parallel blocks to coexist. What this does is it decreases bottlenecks and creates faster transaction processing. So right now, Caspa's processing 10 blocks per second with its native CAS token, trading at around 7 cents right now. We will take a look at CoinMarketCap, take a look at the chart a little deeper here in a minute. But it's one of these proof of works that often gets, left out of the topic of discussion. You've got Bitcoin, you've got Dogecoin, but then you've got Caspa. And Crescendo, which recently was their hard fork, was activated on May 5th. And it's delivered an outstanding increase in transaction throughput. Now 4,000 transactions per second, 80 to 90% efficiency. If transaction demands exceeds capacity, efficiency could reach 100%. And we've got some improvement protocols that were integrated with this hard fork, right? And a lot of these upgrades are making Caspa even more attractive. So if we look at smart contract development, this is a big one. So Crescendo hard fork dominates Caspa's updates, but we have seen some other things play out too. The next evolution of the Caspa ecosystem is coming. Smart contracts will soon bring programmable blockchain capabilities to the world's fastest layer one platform with enhanced security, lightning fast speeds, low fees, and developer-friendly documentation. Caspa smart contracts aims to become a game-changing innovation for developers. No specific release date was provided, but this ongoing effort, again, showing Caspa's ambition to support decentralized applications. This is going to be big. And Bitcoin's opened up this as well. And the Crescendo hard fork is pivotal now for Caspa because it's going to unlock so many more potential opportunities for the Caspa ecosystem. And looking ahead, Caspa's smart contract development could be a game changer. And this is something I'm very much looking forward to seeing. It has a halving schedule like Bitcoin. It's ranked number 45 right now, just under 7 cents. And we're down 41% in the last month. And a lot of people would be running for the hills saying, oh my gosh, but I'm looking at this as a potential opportunity. And in the last year, we're down 52%. But if you zoom out to the alt chart, we're coming down here where we've bounced off of this 6.3 level. back in April pretty hard, bounced all the way back up to 12 cents. If we hold this line of support at 6.3, which we're getting close to, we could be in store for a big bounce on the Caspa chart. And this is why, it was a really good time to kind of open up this conversation. And if we look at Caspa, here on the daily, it does not look great. Obviously, we are trending down. Now, we got down as low as just under 6 cents before we, again, balloon back up. So back here, when this happened in April, if you could see here, we got the momentum up signal right here at the 7.7 level. So even if we use this as our signal, right, because we started to show the reversal, looked like we were heading back up, take this all the way up to the possible retracement down, had a nice 62% opportunity to trade this, right? So if you're wondering where these charts come from, this is my trading software XT Algo. And it really allows you to see the best time to enter and exit the markets are. Just allows you to DCA into your favorite assets at the right times. It's going to give you all of these indicators that you need, these momentum up, momentum down, and it gets alerted to your phone. You could set up alerts through TradingView. I walk you through how to set this all up. It's $1 a day. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee. I highly encourage you guys to check it out. There's links down below. There's also a bunch of exchanges down there where you can actually trade Caspa and other top assets, either on leverage or spot trading. We've got everything for you. But Caspa looks really good right now from an opportunity standpoint. And yes, I am kind of looking to see if this comes down all the way to 6 cents. But, if I'm looking at Caspa as a longer term play, maybe starting to DCA here is not terrible. I started to DCA about 3.5 cents. We ended up going all the way up to 20 cents at the peak. If we zoom out here and go to the weekly chart, a little easier to see. We topped out up here at 20 cents back in June and July, right? But I was accumulating, here on these momentum up triggers back in July 2023, right? In these areas. And so we rode it up to 20 cents, took some profits off the table, right? And we're really excited still about Caspa. And if you look at the alt chart, it still looks phenomenal, right? This is the weekly. Here, even go into the monthly. So we're sitting pretty close to some support here. Like we're multi-month support here that we had. And I think we're going to bounce pretty hard off of this. And once altcoins really heat up, this is one that I definitely think should be on a lot of people's radar. People are forgetting about it. It's not as sexy as it used to be. People are chasing the other shiny objects. All I'm saying is it's still a strong holding of mine, even after I took some profits off the table. And I'll be looking to potentially re-enter a position if and when we come back down to that 6 level flat or close to it, or if I get alerted from XT Algo, my trading software. So again, those links are down below if you want to check out XT. But Caspa Army, let me know your guys' thoughts on all of this, and can't wait to hear from you, and we'll see you guys in the next video.